Yo, summer people, welcome back. In today's video, guys, I'm going to talk about something very special, guys. Guess what, guys? Today's Bitcoin, man. I know back in the mind, most of you are like, Bitcoin's a scam. Most of you are like, Bitcoin never works. Like, don't invest in Bitcoin. But you know, guys, guess what, guys? Most of you don't do research when it comes to Bitcoin, guys. Of course, most of you are like, Bitcoin does scam, always work, man. But I want to show you in this video, guys. I'm going to show you one of the most legitimate websites that you can trade Bitcoins, and of course, you can avoid the bank and make some cash. I've done it personally, I've used it, and I like the website, by the way. It's very legitimate, and it supports over 350 payment platforms, from M-Pesa to PayPal to Pioneer to Sendwave, WorldRemit, TransferWise, Western Union, all those methods of transferring money. And of course, this website does something amazing. And of course, guys, ensure you watch till to the end, because you don't miss every single. I'm going to show you like how to buy and sell Bitcoin on this website. So guys, stay tuned and let's get straight to the video, guys. So guys, on your favorite browser, you go to paxful.com, the one I'm typing there, then you type in, and then it will lead you to the fastest search that you find on Google. So once you are in, and then you can log in. So that's the website I'm typing. So that's the one I'm telling you, the Paxful buy and sell cryptocurrency instantly. You see, that's the first search. So once you log in, it will lead you to search a website. Ensure it's a very cheap website, by the way you're handling, so that you don't have to be scammed. You have to ensure that you are dealing with the right website, because most people tend to clone or tend to copy some websites, and then they brand with the name, and then they start selling from people. So once you're in there, ensure that you check in. This is the website I'm talking about. So you can see you can buy Bitcoin. There's something you buy. You can buy different. We have Tether, we have Ethereum. Those are types of cryptocurrency, but in this case we're talking about Bitcoin. So you can see one Bitcoin is equals to around 5 million Kenyan shillings. It supports over 300 payment platforms, the one I've been talking about, from M-Pesa to PayPal to Chipacast to MTN mobile money to bank transfer. I mean, it's one of the most convenient websites. You can pay anything. So you can see it's one of the, anybody all over the world can use it without having to worry where to pay, because most websites which I've dealt with tend to have a very limited number of payments platforms, but this one now almost has every payment platform, which makes it very convenient and affordable to trade Bitcoin on these websites. So you can go and register if you don't have an account, but if you have an account, there's no need of registering. Then you just go direct to the website, you log in, and then you see how far it functions. And of course, you can create so for those who don't have an account, you can create your email address, you can create your password, and then you can log in and then you can log into the dashboard, and then you see how far it goes. But in this case, you can just write your email, ensure you have a very strong password. This is money, and whenever there's money, you must create very strong passwords that wins, man. You don't create a password which is not going to like can be easily hacked. So ensure the password is very strong and you want the one you can easily remember. So let's log in. So that's in already. With me, I have an account, so there's no need of creating an account. So once you've created an account, you can log in. So let's log in. Okay, let's log in. Already me, I have an account, so I just log in direct and show you how the website works. So let's log in, guys. So as you can see, we're waiting to log in to ensure that we're dealing with the most legitimate website. So you don't have to be conned, man. There's no need of being conned. So you have to verify. You have to authenticate that it's actually not a robot or a human being entering the website. These are some of the security measures they use to verify that they're dealing with a real human being and not a robot. So you just log in, and then you see how far the website works. So let's wait and log in. And so once you go there, then you just type in your password, and then you log into the website, and you want to see that how far you can identify one of the most trusted people whom you can sell Bitcoin on. because there's scammers all over, by the way. In fact, the scammers are the one who make Bitcoin look like a scam. But Bitcoin itself is not a scam. Bitcoin itself, it's real and legitimate. But you have to ensure that you have the right websites in which you trade Bitcoin on. Because if you use a wrong website, you want to lose your investments, and at the end of the day, you're going to cry, which is not the thing. We want to ensure that you're hitting the right website to trade Bitcoin on, so that you make a profit. And they would think that you can buy and sell, and you can maybe buy Bitcoin at some point and you make a profit. So, like, maybe you can buy at this time when the market goes up, then you can sell. When it goes down, then you can wait. When the Bitcoin crash, like right now, we have a crash on Bitcoin. There's a crash. So right now Bitcoin is crashing. So you don't advise to buy at this moment, because you have to wait when the economy is very stable. So that's my websites which I've logged in already. So you can look at this. That one is not ideal. So that's the website once you've logged in and you've verified your account and you have everything. So you can see the payment platforms, the one I've been talking about. There's buy Bitcoin, send, and all those things. So you can see that's my account up there already. I'm not logged in. One thing I don't believe, one thing, you once you've sold, ensure you buy and sell. Bitcoin is not a currency to hold, man. It's highly volatile. Once you buy, you sell. Once you buy, you sell. Once you buy, you sell. Ensure you that your wealth, all your money is stored in terms of dollars, not in terms of Bitcoin, because the currency is volatile. You're not sure that if you want to make some money. So you can check in there. You can, okay, let's go to buy Bitcoin. I want to show you right now. I don't have a balance, but I'll show you guys how it works. So once you go there, you can go there. You can select the amount. You can see, like, now the most trusted bank transfer. You can check in one of the vendors who are selling Bitcoin now. Like, now this guy there is selling Bitcoin. You have to ensure that it's somebody who is very verified, is trusted. Like, now this person is trusted. So to mean that even if you buy from him, chances of you getting conned are very low. So those are the things you have to look at. Once you see the green pattern, or the green pattern of the trusted, and then you are sure that you're dealing with the most person who is genuine, not a scam who is going to, like, scam you your money. And you say now, like, that person now, because there's some people who are selling Bitcoin there, you can say you can enter the amount that you want. Maybe you can enter the amount you'll pay, and it will tell you the amount of Bitcoin you will save in your wallet. So you once go there, then you buy. Already that buy button is disabled because already I don't have a balance, so it's not possible for me to buy. So you go there. I want to show you one thing that you guys want, something very, very important. I want to show you guys something very, very important. You can, like, send. Let's go to send and receive. You can send Bitcoin. You can select your method of payment. You must verify your ID, which I've not verified, but that one's very easy and very fast. So once you go there, you can verify your ID. Once it's verified, and then it means you can send Bitcoin from the wallet. Ensure that you have a verified. Ensure you verify. You can go there, like, buy Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum. Those are types of cryptocurrency you can buy. Depending on your balance, you can send or you can receive. You can send to people. You can send to somebody whom already is in the platform. So once you go there, let's go to, again, back to, like, buy Bitcoin. That's the most interesting thing. I want to show you, like, how can you identify the most legitimate person. You can get an offer. If you have an offer, you can say, let's say you want to sell Bitcoin, you have let's say $1,000. You can get an offer and you can price at your own price, and you make some profits. Let's say that you're trusted in the platform. Now you can put your own price and you can sell to people out there while willing to buy into your website. So you go there. That is it, guys. You can create an offer. You can check in the people who are already logged in. You can register. You can register an affiliate, and then once you go there, and then you can now let's see. There's something I want to show you guys, which is very, very important, because sometimes when it comes to buying now, this is where people get scammed. You have to be very, very, very careful when buying this thing. So, like, now this person you're seeing there, the one I was telling you about. So this guy already is a trusted. The green pattern, he has some good ratings. There's some good ratings from this guy. So you have to check to ensure that this guy has got some positive feedback. So if he has a negative feedback, so many people are complaining about him, you don't buy from this guy because automatically this guy might be a scammer. So you can see, like for instance, the payments you can buy through M-Pesa, you can buy through. Check on the feedback, guys. Check on the feedback. You can see email is verified, ID is verified, and everything. You can check on the feedback what people are saying. What post from this guy? You have to check and confirm that this guy is a very cheap person that you're buying from. It's not a con man who is going to con your money. Mm. So you have to ensure that the feedback is well. So you can see this guy has got some positive feedback, about 273, which is a good guy. I can't complain because already he has some good feedback. So to mean that even if you buy from him, automatically you're going to get your Bitcoin. So which is something very, very important you have to look at when it comes to like buying on Bitcoin, guys. So like basically that's what you do. It's very straightforward, guys. It's not very complicated. There's no complex here that you want to like. It's not a complicated process. It's very straightforward that you want to buy, but ensure that if you're buying from somebody, it's somebody who is very legit. Thank you.